Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram messages on Android. So first, you just have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. To do that, go to Play Store and then type Instagram and make sure that the button here says open and not update. So once you have updated your Instagram, or if it's updated already, go back to your Instagram, launch your Instagram, and then here you have to go to your messenger or conversation icon. And then in order for you to simply delete the whole conversation, you just have to long press and then look for the delete option here. Tap delete. And once you tap this one, a message will pop up and will ask you again if you want to delete your chat. So tap delete if you want to continue. Now, if you want to delete one by one, or if you want to delete a specific conversation, you just have to open the conversation, long press the message or the picture or the video or any file, and then tap and send. Once you tap and send, and then you have to click and send again, or you can cancel. So that means it will remove the message for everyone. People might have seen or forwarded it already, but it doesn't matter because you just want to simply unsend or delete the message. Okay. And you just have to simply go to another conversation or message again, long press, and then look for unsend, and that's it. And that's how easy it is to simply delete Instagram messages on Android. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.